Hey guys, Wadz with the Wadz Up channel. Thanks for joining me today. We're with the FE501 and we're going to do a little mod. A mod that's going to give me better visibility to what's happening behind me. Because with the Power Mad mirrors that I got on there right now, they're these little tiny guys, I'll show them to you. Way too small. And besides the scale of them, they don't have clarity like these do. And I mean, I don't spend a whole lot of time looking behind me, but when I want to know what's going on behind me, it's sure nice from a safety perspective to see what's going on. And these little guys that I had on there, the Power Mad mirrors, while they're super affordable, I can't see what's going on nearly to the level that I'd like. Let's mount them up. Let's see what the end result is. Today, I want to share with you a bar end mirror that I think absolutely separates itself from the rest of the mirrors on the market. Clever little design by Rottweiler Performance. So Rottweiler Performance and CRG teamed up, and so these guys are the mounts, and then the mirrors are by CRG. The model is referred to as the Arrow. So it's got a nice aggressive feel to it. So CRG is in the United States and they manufacture in the USA. All stainless steel hardware. And it's all serviceable too. So if you blow out a mirror, you can take it out, service it, even give you a little schematics. In terms of clearance, you can see that I got lots of clearance there. And I have pretty big mitts. You can see there's lots of options. You can roll with them like that. You could go like that. What's nice about these mirrors is when you go down, they will bust off. They're just going to fold out of the way. The reason I like this mirror, and while I wanted to order it so I could review it, was it's unique in the fact that you can attach it to the bar end of your bars, of course, and the mirror really gets outside of your hand. I found my Power Mad mirrors just aren't quite big enough, and they don't give me the field of view that I'm looking for. And they're convex, so the images appear slightly larger. In terms of the construction of these bad boys, they're made out of a 6061 anodized T6 aircraft grade aluminum. All right guys, so we're back in the garage. I went for a ride on the bike to make sure that the angle of the mirrors are perfect, and they're not. I just want to show this to you because, you know, stuff happens. It's an easy... Forget it. Let's check it out. See, I went ahead and used one of the existing holes for the handguards to mount the mirrors. And that was my mistake. I was hoping it would give me the kind of angle I needed, but because the handguards curve in ever so slightly, that obviously changes the angle of the mirror mount. So I was hoping I could get away with that, but that's not going to get her done. So we're going to move her back a little bit where there's less of an angle, and that'll straighten things out quite literally. I think these are 39 and these are about 229. I'll leave the link downstairs so you can check that out. Oh yeah guys, one more thing. This box arrived in the mail today and it's from Baja Designs. So we're going to test this and give it a review. What's this, 1500 lumens compared to 5000 lumens? Something like that. Anyways, it literally is going to be the difference between night and day. And I can't wait to test it, share the review with you guys. Thanks for joining us today. And if you like what we're doing on the Wadz Up channel, smash that subscribe button and join the madness. And I'll shoot you with my space modulator.